Back over here looking at the shells again. And get a 6-pack of Neon Super Shells for $31. Wow. 120 bucks for the full kit. Nightwalkers are 105. I wanted one of those, but I'm not paying that. Alex Caliber $79.99. Dropping my soda on the floor, making one hell of a mess. Those are cool. Bat Cat. I like the label. Sonic Boom. Highfalutin cows. Wow. Wow. Honey Badger's a good one. Prices. Dirty Dancing in the Sky. Yep. Big gun, machine gun. Yeah, that'd be cool. I'll stick with this. 60 yards. I'll buy that for $1. What? And $40 for their 500s aren't too bad, you know. I'm gonna have to put this camera down so I can do a little bit of shopping. Not that there's a whole lot here that I won't. Minotaur. That looks pretty cool. Tears for here. That's pretty cool. Maximum Insanity. You guys been very busy yet?
It's been getting there. We're expecting to start picking up more the closer it gets to the 4th.
I'm just glad that we can finally buy them here in West Virginia.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Do what, honey?
There. That's like a 4th of July 3 package right there. These are all trails that go about 300 feet.
Yeah.
And if you went around and bought 100 of these individuals, but it costs you about $420. Or if you buy them, you get just $300 of 30, and with that store 100.